A hole in it that should help them be able to flip the stage, Steve, but definitely doesn't get them those stage points.
Yeah, they're going to give up stage points, but I expect the majority of the field to come to pit road. But
Steve, what do you think about this? You know, Florida, afternoon, you almost expect showers, and I think these teams probably have to be looking at any kind of radar.
Well, so let's make sure the fans at home understand. If we were racing on the high banks at Daytona, a shower would delay the race, perhaps end the race, but not on the road course. On the road course, rain tires are available. These teams have 3 sets. So if we see a pop-up rain shower, they will have the opportunity to come down and put rain tires on, and the racing continues. And if you think this track is slick now, go ahead and put a couple inches of water on it. Got a really hard tire in a very, very slick infield course. You're going to have wheel hopping. That's what that sounds like. Kyle Busch gets into turn 6. And there's nothing you can do to stop it, Jeff.
Yeah, it's made even more difficult because there's somebody in front of you, right? The only thing you can do is push your clutch in or even go to the throttle a little bit. But if you do that and somebody's in front of you, you're going to run them